Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and good afternoon to all. So, today we again continue our lesson number 3, the world of plant. I am your science teacher from Mahdi School and today we learn about types of the plant. So, we start our session with one beautiful line. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So, if you want a good future, then you have to believe in your dreams. So, this is the beautiful line that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So, let's start our today's session. So, what we learn today, we learn about types of the plant, which we learned yesterday also. So, there are 4 types of plant: tree, creepers, climbers and small plants. So today we learn about climbers. So let's see what is climbers. Before that, let's revise what we learned yesterday. So we learned yesterday about types of plant. We learn about different type of trees. The stem of every tree is different. We see the plants, the plant of rose, watermelon plant, coconut tree, lotus, cabbage. So we learn that all plants are same. No, because the stem of every plant is different from each other. So, here is a 4 type of stem you can see. Then we learn about small plants. We learned yesterday about small plants which grow in our house. What are small plants? Plants which are small and have woody stem are small plants. And some small plants have soft stem. So, we learn that small plants have woody stem or soft stems, but it is a small. We learn about rose plant because rose plant has a woody stem. We can see here stem of rose plant. We learn about sunflower. You can see sunflower here. Another plant, jasmine. Then tulips. Then we learn how we grow lotus. Then we start growing lotus. Lotus grow in mud. We also learn that some plants are grow in mud and some plants are grow in water. So here we grow lotus. We need a mud for lotus. Then we plant a root of lotus. Then lotus start growing. You can see the lotus is growing here, the bud of lotus, and the lotus plant is growing. So today we learn about climbers. Now, what is climbers? Which plants are climbers? All these things we learn in today's lecture. And why we called it climbers? All these things we learn in this lecture. So let's start our lecture. Here you can see the stem of the plant. You can see two stems of the plant. One is rose stem and one is money plant stem. And third stem you can see now it is a tree stem. So here you can see three different types of stem. You can see the big stem is different from small stem. We learn about small plants. Here is a rose plant stem and a picture which you can see middle of this is a money plant stem. You can see here the different in rose stem, a tree stem and money plant stem. So we learn about today this stem. You can see how soft is stem. So why we called it climber? This plant we learn today. So our today's topic is climbers. Now let's learn about climbers. Here is a picture of bean. Bean is one vegetable we eat. So you can see the picture of bean and the growth of the plant bean. Here we start that bean also start growing from the seed and slowly growing. You can see the first picture only seed is there. Then little stem, then little more stem, then more stem, leaf are grow, flowers are grow, then a big plant grow. But you can see that only stem between them is strong, but other stem are not strong. So first we learn that climbers growth. You can see here bean plant growth. That beans are also grow with flower. You can see. Now let's see why we called it climbers. Here you can see the picture of bean plant. So the flower is there, bean also there and leaf also there. Now stem is very soft and thin. You can see the stem of the plant. Now let's see. Here is the stem of the plant which grow from the roots from the land. So you can see here the very thin stem of the plant and how it covered. You can see the stem of the plant. Now another thing is one stick in this plant. So stem of the beans are need support to grow straight. Stem of the bean need support to grow straight. Now you can see here the picture is in this picture you can see the one arrow show you the support. It is a stick or it is a another plant stem. So it is a support of the bean plant. Then bean plant can grow straight. Otherwise bean plant cannot grow straight. So the plant which need support to grow straight, we called it climbers because they are climbing up with support. That's why we called it climbers. So again I repeat, the plant which need support to grow straight, we called it climbers because they climb with support. So here you can see the plant of bean which growing straight with the support, and I also show you the picture of bean. A green color straight thing is bean which we eat as vegetable. You can see here the different part of beans also. Here is the flower, then seeds and stem. So we see that climbers need support to grow straight. If you not give support to them, they grow along the ground. But for good growth of climber, you have to give support to the climbers. So it is a climber. Stem. Then here you can see the real picture of climber. The stem of the climber is very soft. That's why they need support to grow straight. They also have leaves. They also grow fruits and many other things like vegetables we eat. Some vegetables are climber and some vegetables we get from small plants. Here you can see the picture of bean. I show you the different pictures which show you that how climbers need support to grow. Here you can see the picture of bean plant again. These all are bean plant. Now if they grow straight, they need support. You can see here the support with stick. It is a support. So here you can see the stem of the plant is climbing on the support. Here another plant support. You can see the support. This is the support of the plant. Then it is a cucumber plant. You can see they also get support from there with stick. It is a support which help them to grow straight. Here another way to support plant with frame of wood. It is a support of the plant. Now, what is the definition of climbers? You can see here that plants that need support to grow straight are called climbers. We can see that climbers need support to grow straight. If you see the plant of rose plant is already straight. They not need support to grow. Why? Because rose plant has a woody stem. But if you see the money plant, then money plant can't grow straight without support. So plants that need support to grow straight are called climbers. Let's see some things which help to climbers grow straight. Climbers need support of walls, other plants, stick or thread to grow straight. As we know that if we want to go upstairs, we climb from the stairs. We not directly jump from there. So like that, when we climb the stairs, then we go up. Like that, climbers also grow up with the support of walls, other plants, a stem of other plants. They tie around the plant stem and grow up. Then some stick, we can put some stick on climbers. Then climbers tie around the stick, and with the help of thread, which we use in our house when we grow a money plant, and money plant are connected with thread, then money plant grow as you want. So if you want to grow a climber straight, you have to give support to the climber. Let's see some picture that show you that how things give support to climbers. So here we see that one picture which show you that how climbers grow on walls. You can see here the whole wall is with one climber. You can see so many leaves are in climbers and all are growing on walls. So if there is a no wall, the climbers are growing on the road. So you have to give support to the climbers. You can see that climbers are come from the back side of the wall. We can see that they are climbing on the wall. That's why we called it climbers. Here the picture where wall is help climbers to grow straight. Then here you can see that one plant is support climber to grow. So when you grow one mango plant or any other plant, if you give support the stem of that plant to climber or a money plant, so the money plant grow around the mango plant. So climbers are also grow on other stems. They not grow from that stem, but they grow on that stem. So here you can see the picture where climbers growing on other stem. Another picture I show you that here is a one coconut plant and one climber is growing around the coconut plant. So coconut plant is help climber to grow around the stem. You can see here that support of other plant to grow straight. So this plant help climber to grow up. Support of stick. When we grow a plant like money plant in our home, so you can see the stick is support to money plant to grow up. In middle pot you can see the plant is growing around the stick. So if you want to take this plant in another room, you have to give way to this plant. So if you tie a thread with money plant from one room to another room, the money plant grow start in next room. So if you give way to the plant going that way. So like that money plant grow with the stick. You can see here though. So support of stick also needed for climbers to grow. Here you can see the threads and the plant is growing around it. So this is a different ideas which we use to grow climbers and help to decorate our house. Like that we can decorate with plant our house. Support of thread you can see. Here is a example of thread which support climber to grow. If you give water and give sunlight to all these plants, after some times the whole threads are with that climber. It is a money plant which you can see here which growing. They cannot grow straight. That's why we give them support. We also use climbers in our house for decorate. If we have garden, then we decorate our garden with climbers. And if we not have garden, then we use threads in pots and grow climbers. Here we can see some pictures which show you that how climbers are follow the support. Here is a picture of one garden, and most of the gardens, when you go in any garden, you can see the entrance gate is covered with some plants. These plants are climbers because climbers are grow as a support of things. So if you make a round with thread or stick, the climbers grow round. If you make a square with thread or stick or any other thing, then climbers grow square. So here is a picture of one garden. You can see the entrance of the garden which covered with plant. This plant is climbers. So here you can see many gates which covered with climbers. So some flowers are also on this. And in our school we have one climber also. So when you go in nursery building, there is a one tree with yellow flower. So it is a climber because it is grow on the wall and the roof of the house. So you can see that climber when you come to school. So here is a picture of one climber. Another flower that grow on the gate of the garden. You can see that how we use climber as a decoration in our house also, in garden also. You can see here different shape which given with climbers. So now you can understand that climbers also get shape from the support. Here you can see the heart shape entrance in garden. So we use climber like that. You can see the support which we give to climber. Climbers get that shape. Another garden, and you can see so many climbers are there. Entrance, then a fountain, after then one climbers. These all are grow with the support. Here another garden. Let's see some example of climbers. You can see here tree of grapes. So it is not a tree of grapes. We called it grapevine. So here you can see the thread between the plant which support them to grow. So here we can see the grapevine. Do you remember the story of fox? Fox don't get grapes because it is not sweet. No, because grapevine is a climber and it is very up to the height of the fox. That's why fox don't get grapes. So here is the example of grapevine. It is the climber. Then a vegetable we eat and it is a very healthy vegetable. It is also example of climbers. You can see the thread between them. You can see one stick between them which is support to the grow. So here you can see that how support need to grow plants. Another example, we all learn that it is a money plant. We don't get money from that. We called it money plant. It is not a plant of money that we get money from this plant and we take coins from that. No, it is a money plant. So this plant is we can grow at our house also. And it is also climbers. You can see the stem of money plant there, which is very soft, and you can see there is no support in it. That's why we have to give support to money plant to grow. Otherwise it's grow around the pot because they need support to grow. So tie a thread with money plant and grow it. You can see here money plant. So these all are examples of the plants which we called climbers. So why we called it climbers? Because they are climbing with the support. Like we go upstairs with stairs. If we want to go on second floor, if there is no stairs, then we cannot go. Like that, climbers need support to grow. So let's revise what we learned today. We learn about climbers today. What we learn about climbers? The part of the plant? No, it is not part of the plant. It is a type of the plant. So we learn about climbers today. Here first we see the stem of three plants, one big stem, one small stem and one soft stem. Then we see the picture of climbers. We see the growth of beans which we eat as a vegetables. So we see the picture of bean which growing. So here is the picture of climbers growth. In this picture you can see they need support to straight. The leaves are bow down, so they need support to grow. Then we see the picture of one climbers. It is a bean plant. We see the stem of the climber is very soft. Then we see the support which given with stick to climbers. You can see that. So it is a support of the plant. Then we see the picture of bean plant. Here we see the support, how climbers grow with support. You can see here sticks which help climbers to grow. The support with wood, you can see that here. Then cucumber plant, which is also climber, and cucumber also needs support. Here you can see one frame of wood which help to grow straight climbers. Then we learn that what is climbers. Plant that need support to grow straight are called climbers. So we see here the example of rose, that rose stem is woody and strong, and climbers stem are not woody and not strong. That's why they need support to grow straight. Climbers need support of wall or other plants or stick or thread to grow straight. Then we see how these all things support climbers to grow. You can see here the climber on wall. The whole wall is covered with climbers. You can see the roots and stem of the climber here. Here is another plant which support climber to grow. Then here is a coconut plant which help climber to grow. Support of other plant to grow straight. The money plant which grow with stick. A middle of the two pots is a money plant which grow with support of stick. So here is the another thread which support to grow climber. It all are example of climbers.